In Kenya today, delivery riding has become one of the most common ways to earn a daily income. But it also comes with one of the highest levels of risk on the road. Every day, riders face heavy traffic, unpredictable drivers, bad weather, and tight delivery deadlines. And in all of this, one fact remains the same. You are fully exposed. Now, here's what most riders don't always think about. If you get into an accident and get injured, your income stops immediately. No deliveries, no fuel money, no daily earnings, just medical bills and recovery time. This is what is commonly known as the no work, no pay situation. Many riders assume that having motorbike insurance is enough, but in most cases, standard third-party insurance only covers damage or injury you may cause to other people. It does not cover you as the rider, and yet you are the one exposed every single day on the road. This is where personal accident cover becomes very important. Personal accident cover is insurance designed specifically to protect you as the rider. It is not focused on your bike or your goods. It is focused on you as the person earning the income.
So what does it actually cover? First, it helps take care of your medical expenses after an accident, so hospital bills do not become an additional burden. Second, it provides income support while you recover, helping replace part of your lost earnings during the time you are unable to work. Third, it offers financial compensation in cases of serious injury that may affect your ability to work in the future. And in more severe cases, it can also provide financial support to your family in the event of accidental death. In simple terms, personal accident cover helps bridge the gap between getting injured and getting back on the road. Because without it, even a small accident can mean weeks or months without income, while your daily responsibilities continue as normal. But with personal accident cover, you have a financial safety net. So even when you are off the road, you are not completely cut off from support.
But there's something very important riders need to understand. Personal accident cover is not the same as a medical insurance cover. It only applies to injuries caused strictly by accidents. And unlike what many people assume, the hospital bills are not automatically paid directly by the insurer. In most cases, you first pay the hospital bill yourself, then submit the required documents for reimbursement. This usually includes your medical receipts, a completed claim form, and a police abstract confirming the accident. Once the claim is reviewed and approved, the insurer reimburses the covered amount based on your policy limits and terms.
As we conclude, if you are a self-employed delivery rider in Kenya, personal accident cover is what stands between a setback and total loss of income. It protects the very thing you rely on every day, your ability to earn.
At Step-by-Step Insurance, we help riders stay protected against everyday road risks so you can keep walking with confidence, knowing that if anything happens, you are covered. Get a personal accident cover today and protect the one thing that keeps your business moving, you.
Contact or visit us using the details provided in the screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.